Hi, I'm Phil from Force4. We're going to talk today a little bit about competition winching. Historically with competition winching, what we've seen a lot of is essentially competitors using winches that weren't necessarily designed as a competition winch and then either modifying them or accessorising them to provide the performance that they need or the performance that they're looking for. Things have really moved on in the last couple of years. In the case of the Red Winch Hornet, essentially we have a winch that's been designed from the ground up to do the job, is available off the shelf, and you can bolt directly into your vehicle. The thing that I find really inspiring about the Red Winch is the holistic approach that they've taken to the design. So I mean, you look at the winch, obviously it's a precision engineered piece of equipment, and it's a good looking winch, but realistically they really have followed through on all the functional aspects of the winch and ticked all the boxes that the competitors are looking for in a competition product. Starting with a roller bearing supported drum, full drum disconnect, it's already air pre-plumbed to go, absolutely silky smooth. Moving into an option of small and XL size drum for different drum capacities. To follow that through again to the gear sets, a standard gear set available is a 60:1 in this winch, but also you can get an extra 60% overdrive suitable for some of the lighter vehicles around to go a little bit quicker. Move on to a proprietary air brake system, which gets rid of one of the serious issues that a lot of the competition winches out there or modified winches out there have, been cable overrun. The air braking system is 100% positive and allows for instant clamps. So the moment you take your finger off the switch, brake clamps, there's no more rope running. In addition, more quality componentry, they run the Bo2 motors from the UK, which are essentially overvolt ready. So people are looking to run 24 volt through a 12 volt system, again for extra speed, that's ready to go. And the switching is covered by Albright DC88 solenoids, again manufactured in the USA. The follow through really, it just goes all the way through the winch. They sat down, they looked at it and said, we've got to design a steel gear set for this, what are we going to do, how's the best way to do it? So they go as far as creating a gear set out of moly steel. Simply every component in there is really as good as it can be, and every box that the competitor's looking for is ticked. And I think that's probably one of the big reasons that we're seeing the Red Winch in podium finishes, not just nationally in New Zealand and Australia, but actually internationally across the world in winch style events. The Red Winch Hornet is the electric competition winch from the company. They do a range of winches, including hydraulic competition winches. You'll find a lot of the same features go through there, certainly the drum disconnect, pre-plumbed air. In the case of the hydraulics, the top hydraulic, the Red Winch Trident, you've got a twin motor setup. It can be set up in a number of ways. But essentially, you now do have an off-the-shelf solution that's going to offer you a better competition option and get you on the podium than modifying or playing with winches that were never really designed to do the job. For more information, jump on to force4.co.nz. Thanks.